Hi Stampers! Join me today as we create a heartfelt baby card. This is made with a free celebration stamp set called Cradled in Love. And although I'm showing you a pink one for a baby girl, we're going to make one for a baby boy. So let's get started. Hi Stampers! Well, today is day 2 of my celebration series. So all week I'm featuring some of the products that are in the celebration catalog. Celebration is going to end in a couple weeks, so I wanted to make sure that you guys saw the products and got some really great ideas so you can create your own cards. And today we're going to use the Cradled in Love stamp set. It's really a sweet stamp set, very easy to use. And this is the card that I showed you, but we're going to make one for a little boy. So we're also going to use another product that's in the new mini catalog. These are the perennial postage dies. These are absolutely amazing. There's so many great sizes, not just rectangles, squares, and it's really fun to use, and it works with all of your stamps. So as you're going to see in today's card, so we're going to make this card in boho blue because it's going to be for our little baby boy. And I have a couple of stamping pieces of white, one for the inside and one for the front. This designer series paper is called Flight Airy, and you're going to be surprised. It's this paper here. It's all the bird designs, really beautiful paper. Again, this is a free item in the celebration catalog. So it's 12 sheets of 12 by 12 paper, and it's all double-sided. And I used the back side of this one here for my little girl card. And this piece here, we're going to use the back side, which is the pretty boho blue design. So that's the Flight Airy Designer Series paper. Then we have some layering we're going to do. I have some white and boho blue, and as you can see, I cut these out with the postage dies. So we're going to layer that all up. And then I have a stamping piece. So let's go ahead and stamp our little baby cradle. And I'm going to stamp in boho blue, and I'm stamping on boho blue. So that's how it turned out. And I'm going to bring in this little strip here for our sentiment and go ahead and stamp that while we have the ink out. Welcome, little one. I'm going to take this front piece here and I'm going to run it through the embossing folder. This is the Softly Sophisticated embossing folder. I'm using this all week. It's one of the freebies in the celebration catalog, and it comes with a stamp set. So generally, if you spend $50, you get to pick something out of the celebration catalog, but they also have some items in the back that if you spend $100, you get those, and that's what this is. This combines with the Softly Sophisticated stamp set. So again, watch all week because I'm going to be showing you these products so you'll really get to know them. And if I forget to let you guys know, all of the sizes and the shopping supplies and the shopping links are going to be on my blog. And if you do shop with me, that's my host code. And thank you in advance. I appreciate it. But yeah, hop on back to my blog. You'll see a great big picture of today's card and all of the information you need so you can have the supplies and create your own card. So I ran that through and I got that nice texture on here. And what I like about this embossing folder is it's very versatile. It goes with any design you can think of. I mean, it goes with baby cards, animal cards, just plain old sentiments. It's very versatile and it's very pretty. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to fussy cut out our cradle. So I'm just going to make this piece a little bit smaller, and then I'm just going to fussy cut it out. Whenever you fussy cut, you don't want to cut on the line. You want to cut off, just leave a little bit of the cardstock border, whether it's white or the boho blue or whatever. Just leave a little bit of a border. Quick and easy. Now we're going to go ahead and put some of our layers down here. So I'm going to glue our embossed piece to the card front. Then I'm going to glue the designer series paper to the card front. And then I'm going to glue our postage shape blue to the white piece. And then I'm going to glue this white piece to the blue piece. So that's how it's going to look when we're all done. So let me get all that glued together and then we'll put our card together. So I'm going to glue that all really quick. I'm going to fast forward so you don't have to go anywhere. And when I come back, we're going to finish the card. I'm going to pop this piece up with dimensionals. Now we're going to glue the cradle on, and then we're going to glue the sentiment on, I'm going to cut this down a little bit. So I cut that down because I don't want it to cover up too much of that pretty little cradle. And then I'm just going to add a little rhinestone right over here at the beginning. And then I'm just going to glue that down. So I'm going to add a bow to the front, and then we're going to stamp some of the other images that come in the stamp set on the inside. Okay, so there's the front. And now let's do a little bit of stamping on the inside. So the stamp set comes with all these cute little images. You can create the little mobile up above, and it's got the little blanket that you can color in. It's got the baby bottle. I'm going to use the little tiny elephant. Inside, I'm going to stamp Sweet Bundle of Joy. And I went ahead and I put all three of those on one block already. So I'm just going to bring in my boho blue ink and stamp that right in the middle. Like that. So don't forget, if you are enjoying my videos, don't forget to subscribe. If you're new, go ahead and type in the comments that you're new so we can give you a warm welcome. And thank you for being here. So there's our little boy card. And there's our little girl card. Aren't they adorable? And so quick and easy, right? So yeah, those postage dies are really fun to use. And they really add a lot of dimension and interest to your card. And look how easy that was. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me some comments. I'll see you tomorrow. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.